What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys another CPA marketing method that can generate you over $80 every two hours. Actually this is just a test I was just doing on this website. Okay, so I've actually just earned this amount you're seeing on the screen here. I actually earned it just in a day. Let me just refresh for you guys so you guys can know that this is actually real and not picture. Okay, so how this method works, I will explain everything step by step in this video. Okay, and I'll show you guys the type of offer you guys should promote. Okay, it's not a must use this CPA platform, it's not a must. Okay, and some of you guys, I saw some comments you guys saying this network is scam. Okay, so it's still a test, so I will advise you guys not to use it now because I'm still expecting a payment. So once I get the payment, I'll do a video on it and you guys can use this platform because it's actually nice and good, and their payment is weekly. So let's see how things go. So for now, I got some comments you guys saying Facebook disabled my account and the rest. I've told you guys in my previous video that is this the method is very risky and you have to be smart in doing things. Okay, so just watch to the end. I'll show you guys some tips and trick so as to not get your Facebook account banned in this method because it's Facebook using for this method. Okay, before I show you guys the method, kindly subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and never miss any updates. Okay, it's actually free. Just click on the red subscribe button. I really appreciate if you do that, and this will also make YouTube know that you guys actually enjoy this video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so another CPA marketing platform you can use is Max Bounty, admin. There are many more. Okay, just comment if you want their name, comment below and I'll reply immediately. So this time the offer I'll be using is the housing. I've showed you guys in the previous video, yes, about housing. Okay, what was the offer again? Let me filter it. Like, I think odd foreclosure. Let me see, I think so. I've done a video on this. Okay, and I've even dropped the link of the video in the description of this video, so just check the description of the video. You see two different videos. Okay, check them out. Let me see, and I apply. Let me see. Yeah, this is the offer here actually, just like an housing offer. Okay, they'll pay you $4 per lead. Let me preview the landing page. Okay, so these are the landing pages. So once the person land on this page, they'll enter their zip. Let me see if I can actually do anything. Can't, it just show me the landing page. So they'll search for their zip code, then they will tap on the house, they'll enter their email and name and they'll click on submit, so you get paid instantly. So grab your link. Okay, when you grab your link, create a nice landing page. I've shown you guys already because landing page is a different video entirely. Build a nice landing page either using Google Sites or either using GoDaddy, and there are many more. There is Joomla, there are many, but just try creating the one that the links will be saved on Facebook. And some of you sometimes people usually disable some links. Some of you guys know how to like how I even call it, like prevent your link from getting banned. Sometimes when they ban your link, some of you guys know how to unban link. Okay, sorry. So what you want to do now is look searching for some Facebook groups we use. Okay, after creating a nice landing page and the rest. So for Facebook account, I want you guys to have as much as possible. You can have like minimum of 10 or 5. Okay, but prefer 10. I can create free Facebook accounts. It's not actually free, but you just spend like 10 cents per Facebook account. That means $1. You have to create like 10 Facebook accounts. Let me show you how. Okay, whereas can see okay here is not available. So you come here, tap on any country, but I want you guys to tap on all those low country. Let me tap on Vietnam. Okay, let me see Facebook. Okay, this one is 25 cents, is much. Let me tap on Laos. Let's see. No, it's not available. So you just keep doing this, but let me just show you guys one. So you have to select low countries, but if you have the money to select high country, you can see here is 2 cents, 20 cents, sorry. So you just tap on it to generate a real US number for you, and you use it to verify the Facebook, and you pay. So when you start the Facebook, just it will be a fresh account. Just create the account from on your country. You can put the hometown as the country phone number, then your current city you put your own number, your normal address, sorry. Okay, to prevent ban, cause usually notice IP. Okay, in this method on Facebook here, note your profile have to look like someone in US normally, but you cannot just edit your profile entirely from one country to another. Facebook will notice and they might ban your account. What you have to do here is you have to edit your profile fine. If you are using an existing Facebook account or you bought Facebook account, you can like edit the name, but don't edit it too much. Edit profile picture, that's normal. But in the bio you can hide all your information. You can set it to only me, and the only one you open is your job, your school and your hometown. Your hometown will just be like United States, any city there, while your sorry while your current city will be your normal country, but you hide that. Okay, sorry for that. So
Welcome guys to
this
another
video is just like
video.
an
In this
amendment to the
video,
previous
I'll be
video I've
showing you
done. Okay,
guys another
so
new
for the first
CPA
traffic
marketing
source
traffic source I
is
just
Craigslist.
discovered,
You
and it's
can use
actually
Craigslist. Craigslist
working.
is
Okay,
actually
but before I show you
nice,
guys,
but it's
kindly
actually
hit
paid.
the subscribe button, turn on
Okay,
the notification bell so
and
you
I've
get
explained
notified
in
if
this
I have a
video
new
here
video on this channel, because this
that
channel is
the offer
about
I promoted here on
making
Craigslist is
money
actually
online. All the
different.
video here is about
Okay, that
making
was
money
CPA group
online.
offer
So if you are
and
new
other
here,
sweepstake,
kindly
but
go
I
back
won't
and
want you
watch
guys to
other
do this,
previous
do
video.
it because it's not actually
Okay,
converting. Because most
and
people think
before I
sweepstake as
proceed
scam and rest.
to this
Okay,
course, I've talked
so
about it in previous
for
video,
here
like
is the
CPA
Facebook.
marketing
Okay,
mastermind.
and some of you
It's
guys
not
commented
my
that
course,
they
but
disabled your
it's one of
account
the
and the rest.
best
So
course in CPA
this video
marketing
here is
by
just like an
Abdulhamid
amendment.
official.
So if you have not watched the
Okay,
Facebook method before, watch it
so in
again,
this
then
course you
follow the
should be
step I showed
taught
you guys today, like
12
use SMS
different traffic
PVA. Okay,
sources,
don't like after using
especially
SMS
Instagram,
PVA, create
Facebook,
multiple accounts. You can
YouTube,
create
image
like up
blogging,
to 10, 20
Google
accounts.
display
Then
ads,
you
email
only use 5
marketing,
accounts
contact
every day.
marketing,
The
Craigslist,
5 accounts you use
Pinterest,
today, you will not use it again.
via
That's if you have like
media,
20 accounts.
adult CPA
So use
marketing,
5 accounts
mobile
today,
apps,
post on 5
and
groups.
the
Okay,
total worth
if
of
you want to know the
this
groups, I've showed you guys everything in this video.
course is,
It's on the link
let me
is in the
say,
description of this
roughly
video. Okay, just check it out.
$8,800. But
5 accounts
this
today,
course
five
is
accounts
on
tomorrow.
from its
So the
start.
account you
You
use today,
pay
you won't use it for the next 3 days.
$25 every
So
month,
to
and
keep
this
your Facebook
course is
account
for
safe, and
12
also
months, that's a
once you
year.
post line
That's
like your
making it
link in the
on
post like
three
into the
hundred
groups,
dollars
once you notice
But
that
actually,
Facebook
I
have
have this
taken
course
one of
attached
your
on
link down, doesn't
tutor.com.
that your
So I'll be
link
giving
has
it
issue. So you
out
have
to you
to
guys
look for
at
another way around, like
10,000
build a
naira
new
or
landing page,
$30. I've mentioned this
or
before.
you only
So if you are
upload text,
interested in this
then you tell them to
course,
comment
because I'm
below.
not meant to share this
So
with
when
you
they
guys, but I
comment,
want to
if they're
share it
interested,
because you
comment below.
guys
So
is
when they
like
comment,
my
you
family
just
now. Okay,
instead you
so
message them
just
directly
check the
and send
description
the
of the
link.
video, this
That's the only
video.
way out. Okay,
Contact me
because some of you
through
guys, I think you guys
Instagram.
are
I'm telling you that
overdoing
you need
this
it
process
so
and
I can
also doing it the
share it
wrong
out
way.
with
That's
you
why your
guys.
Facebook account
But
is
it's
getting
paid. It's paid
suspended.
for
And
10,000
actually
naira
this method is what made me
$10,000.
that amount.
without wasting much
Okay, I
of
just test
time
what I test, run
getting it
it.
back.
I
Okay,
just actually
so
just
I was
did
still
like
making use
few
of this
posting and
landing
I
page
got
I
this. Okay,
built
so
long
try it
ago.
out.
So if
I'm
you don't
waiting for
know
you guys
how I
feedback. Try
went
it out
ahead about this, you
and
can come back to my channel
drop your comments
and
on your
watch
results. Okay,
this
I
video.
really want to know that.
I
So
think
that will be
this
all
or
for
this,
today.
just
If
watch
you have not
any of
subscribed,
it, you
kindly
will see
subscribe and turn
the
on the
video
notification
there.
bell so you get
Okay,
notified. Okay, why I have not done a
so
new
I made
traffic method
this
is I want
using
to
Google Sites. It's an
verify whether this
AWA
site is good or not. Okay, so I
giveaway
can test more traffic
landing
methods
page,
because this
stating
platform is
some
actually
offers
nice,
there,
but
like
I
available
want to
for
confirm if they
US,
will
available
pay
for
or not,
UK, and
so I can
available
move over
internationally.
to other
I
CPA
also
platform
like
and
drop a
try the
disclaimer
method out.
down that
So
this is
thanks
a
for
valid page, they're
watching.
not paying for
Have a nice
anything,
day.
so people can know